welcome to Tiny Creature Hub. I'm Kim C. Before I start, please do subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. Today I will be testing out this GoPro Hero 4. This one my friend borrowed me to play. So I don't know, I'm not a technical person, so I just want to try out what's the difference between I use this to video and use my handphone. Now I'm using my handphone without the microphone, so I will see which is the different, which one is better to do YouTube video. Before I start, let's talk about the button first. Here's the on button. You just press, then you will on. You on now. And then this one got touch screen. On top also got one button. So you want to go to the menu, you can press touch screen one. I hold it lah. You to clear lor. So you can press like that. You press here. Then you can go to the setup. So if your SD card always kena error, you put the new SD card. First thing you have to do, you have to press the delete. Then you press this one. You put inside the SD card. Then you format and delete all files. Then after that, you delete already. And then you reset the camera. Reset to default. Reset. So this will solve your SD card error problem. And now I will use this setting lah. I think this one is 1080 super wide, I think. So later I will go use this setting and go outside and take a video lah. I think I can take 31 minute video because my SD card only 8 gigabyte video. Okay. So on top of one button, you also can press. This one is you press that means you record lah. So if you want to go like take photo, you can press here single photo burst and then I'll play back. That's all. So now I off it. Later I go out and off it. Yes. Okay, now I'm using this Hero 4 camera. Behind got this car park auntie. Then we'll walk this new Eco Park, the PCN. You please scratch for the screen bar. Meow. Hello. Eco Park, Tampines Eco Park outside. This one the new PCN. Is now at the ESO there. Behind is my girlfriend, the car park auntie. I don't know you can see or not because I'm using this GoPro Hero 4. So I don't know, I cannot see myself lah. So like that lah. So you all compare this GoPro Hero 4 is good for videoing or my handphone is better. Okay, this Tampines Eco Park, this new PCN road is about this 1.4 click lah, one round lah. There you see got many people walking already because they really announced it last few weeks, I think. Here's the longkang, big longkang. I don't know they got do anything or not. So now we walk and see. Yeah, a lot of plants here. Actually I like this, you know, here you see all the plants here. This look very nature, so that all the wild animal and birds can come here and settle down here. But the longkang, the water a bit 不够水 no 水 no fish. But it's already say this one is eco park, but don't know can go down there. No? But I think it's a very good thing the government upgrade this Tampines Eco Park so that you got area to run. But it's a pavement, not the natural grass patch. So that if you want to run grass patch, you can go the other side there. But here is pavement, 1.4 creek. I think one round is 1.4 or one stretch is 1.4. I don't know lah. That one I never count. Then you'll come here and explore yourself. And now it's testing my camera only. This Hero 4. Whether this is a better camera or it's not my camera. I borrow from my friend. Okay, this SD card only got 8 GB, and then when we put inside, it's only about 7 something GB. So for 7 something GB, the longest video you can take is about 30 minutes video, that's all. So you want a longer video for this GoPro, you must put higher SD card but I just testing only I think the M Park do a very good job with the gardening here, all the flower and all the beautiful plants with all the blooming. So I like places that got a lot of plants Plants is a fascinating thing to watch. Wow. Okay, until here you can continue, or you want to go to the next side. Here got a bridge, or you can, I think you still can continue go up. This is not the end, so up to you lah if you want to run here. Okay, I'm at the bridge, the center of the bridge. You see the scenery down there. Too bad cannot go down but it's not bad here. Not bad, really not bad. But cannot go down can go down the hole You see that side of bird? 你看那个鸟在那个灯那边呢。
Hi bud.
不对。飞掉了。You can see the bird here a lot eating the nectar. This pute I call it. It's not pute, right? Here got 2 but I don't know can get close to them. They're very beautiful bird. But this one cannot zoom too bad. Too bad this GoPro you cannot zoom in. Keep flying away. Okay, so this the new area is called what? Sungai Tampines. Sungai Tampines. There, I'm here. So walk one round, then come back. Not bad. Sungai Tampines. Sangay, I don't know. There, it said 1.4 click. Okay, here also last time this road the people who run Crazy Ultra, they run here. They come here, then they go back. Now open already, and they ask you to be considerate. See, clean your dog poop. But I don't think anyone will listen. This is the flower that that's why the bird came in here. This one got a lot of nectar inside. Sweet one. Okay, the main different thing now I think is this camera got it's a wide screen. That's the main difference. And as for the sound, this one I have to go back there and check. Never use any microphone, but I just use the sound, the mic in the camera. So now I try running, see whether it will shake or not. Okay. So how is it? How is it, the running one? The camera. Okay, now I turn back and video myself. Yeah, I don't know shake or not, but they say GoPro is good for action. It's an action camera, so when you run, I don't think it will shake. It's an action camera. So now we came to the end of this. This have to turn back already. This PCN. Yeah. So this is the second bridge. Second bridge is the end of this PCN. So I think 1.4 click like that. Here got this one is what 救生圈. If you flood, you can throw down there. Then did you know that its natural river bank is designed to resist the force of river flow in the storm event? Planter island and greening of canal base enhance the riverine landscape. The green reduce urban heat island effect by helping to cool the surrounding. Not very cool now, very hot. Now we continue. This is the half already. If it's 1.4, that means one side is 700 meters. Here got different plant. This is different plant. Yeah, this one different plant. Okay, now I will use my handphone to record the other half. This one, my Samsung Note 8, and see the difference. This is the Samsung Note 8. Now I'm using this to record. The lens is at this side, so my eyes must look at this side. And then here got one seat, stone seat. You can sit down here. But very hot. You can see the difference that this Samsung Note 8 the handphone will shake, and then the screen is not so wide angle. It's totally another different kind of views. So compared to this GoPro, I think GoPro for outside is better. As for the sound, this one I have to go back there and know. So if not, I don't know whether the sound is good without the microphone, without any extra microphone. So now you can see the difference, this one and the GoPro. And then I don't advise to use this handphone to record those action video. When you run, your hands shake, everything shake. So it's very difficult to, even now I'm walking, my camera also shaking. Very hard to see or watch in YouTube like that. I from here come to the first bridge already. See the difference of this camera and the GoPro. See, it don't cover a lot of details if you use handphone. But if you use GoPro, the wide angle really can cover a lot of things. So this one is depend on your choice. But here a lot of birds I like. But one thing I don't know now the latest GoPro but GoPro, the GoPro 4 cannot zoom in, so that's a waste. So see the difference. At least handphone you can zoom. You saw this one, let's say zoom, but GoPro cannot lor. Too bad. Okay, here's what I think about this GoPro 4 lah. Let's talk about the sound first. The GoPro when I look back at the video it's very noisy. You can hear the wind sound, the sound every time got strong wind the sound will very irritating. For the sound I think my smartphone is better than the GoPro. And then second one is the video. The video got a lot of setting so I only set the 104 something, the standard size of this YouTube ambulance say and then the GoPro normally is the wide angle so you can cover more ground and then now we talk about the smartphone is more narrow the screen. So when you see even you watch it, this one I record by smartphone also, you only see a small portion of me If I use GoPro you can see all my room and now talk about the battery the battery, the GoPro cannot last I come back already going to flat already but smartphone you can use longer and then my smartphone one we talk about GoPro, the video a bit dark the how to say the tone is a bit dark for smartphone at least it's brighter. You can see my nose hair. As for focusing sometimes the smartphone will out of focus, but for GoPro I don't think GoPro got this out of focus problem so no problem for GoPro. And then for shaking the video when I run, shake or not, both also shake but I don't know how to set the GoPro to non-shake but I think got some setting I'm not sure about that. So and then battery I say already, and then lucky this one I borrow from my friend So overall, if you ask me, do I like the GoPro? A bit but if will I buy a GoPro? I don't think so. That's why I borrow from my friend because my friend also he got 2 GoPro, also never use. I don't see any now. I seldom see people carry a GoPro and go out and take video Normally they use their handphone. So will I buy a GoPro? I will not buy a GoPro. That's my verdict. But as for you if you like action, wide angle, and you are very expert in GoPro, or you are those hiker, I think hikers should use GoPro use handphone very hard. So if you are hiker or runner also can use GoPro or Avenger people so you use GoPro better. But if you stay at home you just use your handphone and record to make YouTube So I'll see you next week. Bye bye.